Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Highlander headlight bulb. First, make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down. You'll need a new bulb, which is typically a 9005 for high beam or H11 for low beam, and a clean cloth. Pop open the hood and secure it with the prop rod. This simple preparation ensures a safe and efficient replacement process. Now, identify the back of the headlight assembly where the bulb is located. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb's base. Gently press the release tab on this connector and pull it straight off. Next, if present, carefully peel back or remove the round rubber weather seal boot. This boot protects the bulb from moisture and dirt, so handle it with care. With the connector and boot removed, you'll either find a retaining wire clip to push down and move aside, or the bulb base itself will twist. If it twists, rotate it 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, hold it by its plastic base and avoid touching the glass, as oils can shorten its lifespan. To secure your new bulb, either rotate it 1/4 turn clockwise until it locks into place, or re-engage the retaining wire clip. Next, carefully put the rubber weather seal boot back on, ensuring a tight fit to prevent moisture entry. Finally, push the electrical connector back onto the bulb's base until it clicks securely. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.